The digital sphere is basically the entirety of our software products, which we built around our core mechatronics platform, and basically giving our customers the chance to come from a first idea to a running production very easily and conveniently. So with our engineering suite iiQWorks, we have the possibility to have high turnover rates and flexible production, and our operating system iiQKA.OS2 will simplify operations for our customers.
iiQWorks is the engineering suite from KUKA. In the past we had different software, it was fragmented, so we decided to combine all of the software in one to make it easier for the end user to work in the digital world, working with robots and simulating and setup and commissioning. At the end, our goal is to make automation easier for everyone, and this is what we are aiming for.
iiQKA.OS2 simplifies control and robot programming by providing a modern, user-friendly UI, which guides the user with wizards, workflows, and visual guidance through his workflows while setting up a robot. So basically, a virtual robot controller enables our customers to already start ideating, setting up, and commissioning their production without the physical robot being present.
Making automation easier.